Today I'm going to share my first impressions of the recently launched Vivo V40 5G. It features a fast refresh rate and the brightest AMOLED display, a mid-range 5G processor, superb design, a 50-megapixel Zeiss camera setup, a huge battery, and much more. Stay tuned for my detailed first impressions of the Vivo V40 5G. Hey everyone, it's Mikey from TechMakey. Please consider subscribing and turning on notifications by hitting that bell icon so you don't miss out on more amazing tech videos. Let's start with the design. When you look at the back of the phone, it has a simple and professional appearance with a glass back and a plastic frame. It's not too heavy, weighing around 193 grams, and it's 7.58 millimeter thick, making it easy to hold in one hand with a good grip. Overall, the phone feels quite nice to hold. This time, the camera module comes in a different shape, adding a unique touch to the design. Moving on to the camera setup, the phone features a dual camera setup with both cameras sporting 50 megapixels each, accompanied by a bottom LED flash. The camera module is slightly raised, adding to the design's aesthetic. Turning our attention to the front of the phone, the screen is curved, complementing the curved design on all four sides of the back. It boasts a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1.5K. The screen's standout feature is its peak brightness of 4,500 nits, ensuring excellent visibility outdoors. Just one more thing to add. If it had LTPO technology support, the display would be perfect. Also, the phone boasts an IP68 water and dust resistance rating, which many phones have launched with this year. Recently, Oppo even introduced an IP69 rating in its mid-range phone, making it rugged. It's so durable that even if you put a Tesla car on it, the phone would be fine. You can check out an extreme test video of the Oppo A3 Pro in the description below. Let's talk about the performance of the Vivo V40. The phone is equipped with the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor, built on TSMC's 4nm process. It's a mid-range 5G processor, which allows you to play high-end games at medium settings smoothly. Moving on to the camera setup of the Vivo V40, it features a rear-facing dual camera setup. The primary camera is 50 megapixels, and there's a secondary 50 megapixel ultra-wide camera as well. Also, this is the first phone in Vivo's V series to come with Zeiss optics optimization. It features a 50 megapixel front-facing selfie camera. Stay connected to our channel for a detailed review video where I'll discuss camera samples in detail. Regarding the battery of the Vivo V40, it comes with a 5,500 mAh battery and supports 80 watts fast charging, which can charge the battery from 0 to 100% in just 48 minutes. Talking about the price of the Vivo V40, in Europe, the phone is priced at €599. I will soon upload a detailed review of the phone, so make sure to subscribe and join our tech team to be the first to watch the video. What do you think about the Vivo V40 5G? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. This is me signing off. Thanks for watching, have a great day, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next one.